Look at all those flakes in my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's long overdue. This is the second part to my Fenty hair fail. I had to try one more time with the home curl. Let's get into it. In my Fenty hair part 1 video, I was showing you guys how I use the home curl and how it caused my hair to flake like crazy. The definition was so good, but the flakes were out of this world. So I decided to wash my hair and let's try this again. So I washed my hair with the Rich One Moisture Repair shampoo, and I actually really like the shampoo. It definitely hydrates your hair and leaves your hair feeling nice and soft. And after that, I went back in with the Home Curl Defining Cream. I didn't use as much this time, and I actually made my twist a little bit smaller. So just know if you're going to be using this product, don't use too much of it. Okay, so I washed my hair again last night. It's looking so much better. I didn't use as much of the Home Curl Defining Cream as I did before. So let's take the twist out. I'm gonna use this melanin oil again. It's a quote to help me with the twist out. I made my twist a little bit smaller this time, and I think that's the way to go. Okay, so this is all the twists out and there are no flakes. Okay, I have a little bit of flaking in the front here, but not like yesterday. So I'm just gonna separate these twists a little bit. I can get some shape. Okay, I absolutely love how the twist out looks today. I'm still trying to get the hang of it just to get my hair to lay how I want it to, but I feel like I definitely have to zhuzh it up a little bit more. But let's put on the edge control. I'm not gonna put too much. I don't know where my edge brush is, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay, that looks good. All right, so I'm just gonna do it right there. So I've been trying to get this to like lay to the front of my head, but that's not working. So let me just, I'm gonna do a little hump. I'll take this claw clip and clip it right here. Okay, how does that look? That looks kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, let me put some edge. Y'all, I don't usually style my natural hair, so that's why I'm struggling a little bit. All right, so this is how I'm gonna go to work. I actually really like how my hair is looking. We don't have the flakes today, and my hair feels really nice. A lot of the curls are defined. I'm gonna have to play with my hair a little bit more to style it, but as of right now, I think it's looking pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, this is day 2. I couldn't style my hair because the twist wasn't laying the way I wanted it to. So I just decided to put my hair up in a puff and I tried the edge control again. I'm not a big fan of this edge control, to be honest. I don't think it really sticked my hair down very well, but I tried with it. I think I need something with a bit more hold. I even tried to put this head tie on, you know, just to help it to set a bit. All right, so I just used the edge control, tied it down a little bit just to see if I could get it to set. I think that looks really good. I'm gonna check in like an hour again just to show you guys how it's looking. I've used this before and it didn't really hold my edges for more than 30 minutes, but I think by tying it down, that's gonna like help it to set. It is looking a little white, then you could see little flakes. All I have in my hair is the curl defining cream, so I don't know if that's why it's looking a bit white, but yeah, this is how my hair is looking today. I love the way that the curl defining cream defined my curls. I will say my hair is feeling a little dry, but I'm not sure what product I should put in to kind of revive it. I know that oil is not gonna really make it hydrated, but that's kind of all I have. So just gonna put a little oil. Definitely let me know what product you think I could use to refresh my hair. I do have the 5-in-1 styler, the heat protectant, and I know that that is a creamy product, so can I use that to kind of revive my hair? I don't know. Anyway, first time I did it, I was able to like wear it down, but as you can see, it was flaky. This time, I don't think I unloosed them properly, so I didn't get them to hang. So I opted to put it up in a puff, which is how I usually wear my hair anyway. So yeah, and I'm off to work. Just to recap everything, I actually really do like Fenty Hair. Of course, there were some products that I didn't absolutely love. So let's start with the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. I absolutely love this shampoo. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It smells amazing. It does a really good job at actually detangling your hair. It really leaves your hair feeling hydrated and moisturized and soft. I am really looking forward to a clarifying shampoo. If that's coming out soon, I'm gonna be very, very excited about that because I usually do a lot of protective style. So I need like a heavy duty shampoo every once in a while, and I'm gonna be really interested to see what Fenty Hair does on that note. Then we're gonna go in with the Rich One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. So I didn't get the traditional conditioner because my hairstylist told me every time I wash my hair, just deep condition it. And I absolutely love this product. I don't have a lot left. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It does a really good job at softening your hair. This is where I usually detangle my hair, and this product has a really nice slip. It makes your hair feel even more soft. Like, I'm very impressed by this deep conditioner, and I'm gonna repurchase this one for sure. 10 out of 10 as well. Next on the list is the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. I really like this product. I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10 just because I haven't used it as much, but when I did use it, it definitely moisturized my hair along with giving me that heat protection that I definitely need when I am like blow drying my hair or heat styling my hair. And I also like that it gives a nice sheen to your hair. Second to last, the Home Curl Defining Cream. You all know this is the one I had to fail with. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 just because I actually like the definition that it gave my hair once I took my twist out. I mean, the definition was so good, but that flaking, I'm never gonna be able to like forgive this product for those flakes because I didn't have any other products in my hair. So why would it be flaking? Like, I knew that I wasn't gonna be mixing this with anything because I saw those reviews. So I made it a point to just use it on its own. Even when I didn't put a lot, it still flaked. So I don't know what that is about. My sister used it, her hair didn't flake. So I think I'm just gonna give this to her because I don't know. Me and this one, we have beef. And then finally, I have the Controlling Type Hair Thickening Edge Control Gel. I want to give this like a 0 out of 10. It didn't do anything for my edges. Not more than 30 minutes, my hair was back up like I had never used edge control. I don't think this is for 4C hair. I don't think this is for type 4 hair at all. I know the girls with looser textures love this one, but no. It's an absolute no. It's a hell no from me. So yeah, those were the 5 products that I tried from Fenty Hair, and I would say it was kind of like 65% love, 35% a definite hell no. No kind of in between. But yeah, I'm excited to see what else Fenty Hair is gonna come out with. You know, not everything is gonna always work for everybody, but the two ones that I would repurchase every single time is the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner and the shampoo. They got me. They got me. They got me. They got me. And the smell of it is absolutely amazing. So let me know in the comments, what was your experience with Fenty Hair? Was it similar to mine? Was it like not similar to mine? Did you love it all? I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, put your bell on for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.